Hello! In this short video, I will show you an easy way to install WeDo 2.0 coding app on an iPad. Let's begin. To be able to program robots assembled from WeDo 2.0 bricks, we need an app from LEGO Education. So the first place we should go to is the App Store. Let's open it, and in the search bar type WeDo. Then among the results you should find the app that you need. In my case, it's the very first result. It's right here. WeDo 2.0 LEGO Education. Now make sure you have the same app as you can see on my iPad, and now you want to, of course, download and install it. To do all of that, we just need to click here. Now the app is downloading, and depending on your internet connection, this might be very fast or a bit of a slower process. Nevertheless, it's certainly worth it, so let's just be patient. Now the app has finished downloading and is ready to use. So let's open it and let's see how it looks like inside. Okay, I am not planning to record any sounds, but remember that right here you need to read and agree to the end user license agreement. Now I already know it, so I will just click OK. And here we are at the welcome screen. There are 5 steps that welcome us. You can go through them if you would like to. However, I will just close it for now. And right now, we are in the lobby of WeDo 2.0 software. From here, you can manage your projects, create new ones, or click on your first project. This is a tutorial prepared by LEGO, which will guide you to some of the functionalities of this software. However, right now, I want to check if everything is working as it should be, so I won't go through the tutorial. Instead, I will just create a new project right here. This is the programming area of WeDo 2.0 app. This is where you will connect blocks to create programs. But that's for later. Right now, let's focus on connecting Smart Hub to this app. Now remember that for this you will need to have charged batteries inside the Smart Hub. Without them, it won't be able to be active. However, before we open this blue Bluetooth tab you see in the corner, we actually need to check one more thing. Now, you see there are no cables here. This means that this Smart Hub relies on connection via Bluetooth. So let's check if we have it enabled. You can check this right here. And as you can see, my Bluetooth is turned on. If it were turned off, this icon would be grayed out. So let's turn it on again just by clicking on this icon. Once you are sure that Bluetooth is enabled, return to the programming area and open this blue Bluetooth tab. This is where you should be able to see your Smart Hub. However, right now, you can see that there is nothing showing on list on my device. That's because this Smart Hub I'm holding is not active yet. To activate it, simply press this button until the light starts flashing. Right away, you should be able to see your Smart Hub on the list. Select it. And wait for the connection to be established. Now you will know it's established when you see those thumbs up and also this blue light on your Smart Hub. Okay. So in theory, the connection is established, but how can we know for sure? Don't worry about that. I'll be back in a couple of seconds with a robot and a very simple program to test this connection. I am back with this really cool biplane robot you see right above my head, okay? And right here in the programming area of WeDo 2.0 app, you can see those two blocks. That's actually a very simple program made to activate the motor. Now, the connection between the Smart Hub and the app is still there. You can also be sure of it thanks to this blue light on a Smart Hub. However, that's all theory, right? To be able to know for sure, well, once I activate the program, you should be able to see this robot move. So without further ado, let's activate the program. Okay. I think it's safe to say that the robot is moving, so let's stop this program. You can do this by clicking this red square. Okay, now that we are sure that the connection is still there and it's working, we can keep on coding, keep on developing much more advanced, more interesting programs without having to worry about connectivity issues. Now that everything is ready, you can start coding, and this also means that this tutorial is over. I hope you found this helpful and easy to follow. I also hope that you will keep on coding, keep on building and having fun with robotics. Now, in the meantime, thank you so much, and I hope you will have an awesome day. Bye!